Welcome to Rich's era. Washington Executive Department aforesaid Tuesday that classified documents we tend tore likely hid and removed from former President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate as a part of an attempt to hinder the federal investigation into the invention of the government records. Before we intend to continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. The law enforcement agency additionally confiscated 33 boxes containing over 100 classified records throughout its August 8 search of Mar-a-Lago and located classified documents stashed in Trump's office, according to a filing that lays out the foremost elaborated chronology thus far of months of strained interactions between Justice Department officers and Trump representatives over the invention of presidency secrets. The filing offers yet one more indication of the sheer volume of classified records retrieved from Mar-a-Lago. It shows, however, investigators conducting a criminal probe have centered not simply on why the records were improperly held on there, however, additionally on the question of whether or not the Trump team by choice misled them regarding the continued and unlawful presence of the highest secret documents. The timeline ordered out by the executive department created clear that the extraordinary search of Mar-a-Lago came solely once other efforts to retrieve the records had failed, which had resulted from enforcement suspicion that further documents remained within the property despite assurances by Trump representatives that a diligent search had accounted for all of the material. It additionally enclosed an image of a number of the confiscated documents bearing clear classification markings, maybe as the way to rebut suggestions that whoever packed them or was handling them may have simply didn't appreciate their sensitive nature. The icon shows the duvet pages of a smattering of paperclip-bound classified documents, some marked as top secret SCI with bright yellow borders and one marked as secret SCI with a rust-colored border on with whited-out pages splayed out on a carpet at Mar-a-Lago. Beside them sits a cardboard box crammed with gold-framed pictures, together with a Time magazine cover. Although it contains vital new details on the investigation, the executive department filing doesn't resolve a core question that has driven public fascination with the investigation: why Trump control onto the documents once he left the White House associated, why he and his team resisted perennial efforts to allow them back. In fact, it suggests officers might not have received an answer. Throughout a June 3 visit to Mar-a-Lago by law enforcement agency and Justice Department officials, the document states, counsel for the previous president offered no rationalization on why boxes of presidency records, together with 38 documents with classification markings, remained at the premises nearly 5 months once the assembly of the 15 boxes and nearly 1.5 years after the tip of the administration. That visit to Mar-a-Lago, that envelope, according to the FBI, contained 38 distinctive documents with classification markings, together with 5 documents marked confidential, 16 marked secret and 17 marked prime secret. The investigation began from a referral from the National Archives and Records Administration, which recovered 15 boxes from Mar-a-Lago in January that were found to contain 184 documents with classified markings, together with prime secret information. The aim of the Tuesday night filing was to oppose letter of invitation from the Trump legal team for a special master to review the documents confiscated throughout this month's search and put aside those protected by claims of legal privilege. U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon is about to listen to arguments on the matter on Thursday. Cannon on Saturday aforesaid it had been her preliminary intent to appoint such someone, however, additionally gave the executive department a chance to respond. On Monday, the department said it had already completed its review of doubtless privileged documents and known a limited set of materials that doubtless contain attorney-client privileged information. It aforesaid Tuesday that a special master was thus unnecessary. During a separate development, the Trump legal team has matured with the addition of another attorney. Chris Kise, Florida's former Solicitor General, has joined the team of lawyers representing Trump, consistent with 2 folks aware of the matter who weren't licensed to debate the move by name and spoke on condition of anonymity.